In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems on this 5th generation Volkswagen Jetta. Number 1, the ignition coils. Now the ignition coils are located right here underneath this engine cover that we already pulled off. And there's 5 of them because this happens to be a 5-cylinder engine. The symptom you're gonna have with a bad coil is the engine will run rough, or you could have a check engine light on, and even sometimes the check engine light is gonna be flashing. The code you're gonna have is a misfire code. It may be a random misfire P0300 or P0301 through 305. How you wanna replace them is pull that cover off, disconnect the connector, pull the coil out, put a new coil in, put it back together, you should be good to go. It's always a great idea to replace the spark plug while you're doing the coil. Number 2, automatic transmission shifting issues. You may notice that you have a slightly odd shift and you don't want to ignore that. You want to get it to a specialist as soon as possible. It could just be low fluid or even dirty fluid that just needs to be replaced, and then you could be good. If it's not just the fluid, it's probably an internal component that's in the transmission. The transmission is going to have to be removed and either overhauled or replaced. Number 3, front wheel bearings. Now you may notice while you're going down the road, you hear a loud noise coming from the front of the vehicle, like a helicopter or even like an airplane. And most likely it's from the front wheel bearings. You can grab the tire with it up in the air, give it a shake. If there's any play in there, the wheel bearing's got to be replaced. Just because there's no play in the wheel bearing doesn't mean that it's not bad. It could still be bad. If you spin the tire and you hold on to the coil spring, you can sometimes feel the vibrations going up to the coil spring, and then you can determine which side is bad. Number 4, the window regulators and motors. Now, it can happen on any one of these windows, whether it's back window or front window, where the window won't move or it gets stuck down. And a lot of times it's the window regulator or the motor. In that case, the best thing to do is replace the window regulator and motor together. Number 5, the water pump. Now the water pump is located in the front of the engine right here. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be moved out of the way. The symptom you're going to notice when you have a bad water pump is the engine overheating. So you want to pull over to the side of the road. You don't want to drive the vehicle if it's overheating. Another thing you may notice is the water pump actually leaking. And in either case, you're going to have to replace the water pump. Those are our top 5 problems for this Volkswagen Jetta. Overall, these cars are great cars. I really like them. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.